Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about DSers, a popular dropshipping platform. Specifically, I'm going to answer the question, does DSers have a Chrome extension? I know this is a question that a lot of people are asking, so I'm glad to be able to provide some clarity on it. Before I get into the answer, I want to take a moment to talk about what DSers is and why it's so popular. DSers is a dropshipping platform that allows you to sell products on your own website or online marketplace without having to carry any inventory. This means that you can make money without having to invest a lot of money upfront. DSers is a great option for people who are looking to start a dropshipping business or who are already in the business and want to scale up their operations. Answer. Now, let's get to the answer to the question. Does DSers have a Chrome extension? The answer is yes. DSers does have a Chrome extension. The DSers Chrome extension is a great way to save time and effort when sourcing products from AliExpress. With the extension, you can quickly and easily add products to your DSers account without having to leave the AliExpress website. Here are some of the benefits of using the DSers Chrome extension. Save time. You can quickly and easily add products to your DSers account without having to leave the AliExpress website. Save effort. You don't have to manually copy and paste product information from AliExpress to DSers. Get access to exclusive features. The DSers Chrome extension includes some exclusive features that are not available in the web-based version of DSers. How to use the DSers Chrome extension. If you're interested in using the DSers Chrome extension, here's how to get it. Go to the DSers website and click on the Download Chrome extension button. The DSers Chrome extension will be downloaded to your computer. Once the extension is downloaded, install it on your Chrome browser. Once the extension is installed, you can start using it to add products to your DSers account. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for using the DSers Chrome extension. Make sure that you have the latest version of the DSers Chrome extension installed. If you're having trouble using the extension, please contact DSers support. The DSers Chrome extension is a great tool for saving time and effort when sourcing products from AliExpress. I highly recommend it to anyone who is using DSers. I hope this blog post has answered your question about whether DSers has a Chrome extension. If you have any other questions, please leave a comment below. In addition to the information in the blog post, I would also like to add that the DSers Chrome extension is available for free. You can download it from the DSers website. I would also like to encourage you to check out the DSers website for more information about the platform and its features. I hope this information is helpful. Thanks for reading. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video about DSers. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos about dropshipping. I'll see you next time.